In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Chrome. Keeping Chrome up to date ensures you have the latest security patches, performance improvements, and new features, and the process is quick and straightforward on both Windows and Mac. First, let's manually check for updates using the built-in menu. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. Near the bottom of that list, hover over Help, then click About Google Chrome. As soon as you land on the About page, Chrome automatically starts checking for updates. You'll see a status message showing whether an update is downloading or if you're already on the latest version. If an update is found, a Relaunch button will appear. Click Relaunch and Chrome will close and reopen to finish installing the update. Your tab should come right back so you can pick up where you left off without losing your place. If you don't see the Relaunch button, that simply means you're already up to date. There's also a faster way to jump straight to the same update screen. In the address bar at the top of Chrome, type chrome/settings/help and press enter. This shortcut takes you directly to the About page and triggers the update check instantly. It's useful if you prefer typing over navigating menus or if you want to guide someone else quickly to the right place. Just make sure you enter it exactly as shown with no spaces. Now, the good news is that Chrome updates automatically in the background by default. Most of the time, you don't need to do anything at all. When an update has finished downloading, all that's required is a quick restart of the browser to apply it. If you tend to keep Chrome open for long stretches, consider closing and reopening it every so often so those background updates can complete. If the update seems to stall or you're not sure it applied, simply quit Chrome and reopen it. Visiting the About page will confirm your version and trigger another check if needed. That's all there is to it. Whether you prefer clicking through the menu or using the quick shortcut, updating Chrome is just a matter of opening the About page and relaunching when prompted. Making a habit of this keeps your browsing safer and smoother with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide the next time you want to verify you're running the latest version of Google Chrome.